thrust.
Yeah, totally.
Locksmiths are hot.
My mom's like so into locksmithing, and I think I want to be a locksmith when I get older. I'm not sure. So he runs away. Wow.
No, I run towards your mom.
Yeah.
Like I said, locksmiths are hot.
Mom, Nick thinks you're hot.
No, he said he thinks locksmiths are hot.
Tenant's mom has got it going on.
Oh my God.
Tenant's mom.
Shut up. There we go.
Hi. Say something, Stephanie.
Hi.
Want to hear your pretty voice? Shake, 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 shake it.
Hey, hey, hey.
Shake, shake. Hey, back door.
Wait.
That's the front door, actually.
Well, back.
Hello.
Whoa.
I would wait, but I might drop something.
Yeah, point.
Oh no!
No one said
pick up my paper.
Oh, well, I might want to turn the volume up.
Gee, thanks. Just drop them right in the middle of what I'm doing. I don't care. Crackhead.
So what? We're just standing here.
No, you're gonna listen to this.
Oh yes! I love this song, Mom. This is Confrontation by Otep.
Only good lesbian singer.
Right? Well, no, I kind of consider Tattoo, except for they were faking it the whole time, so.
No, they're bi.
Yeah, but they were faking it the whole time.
No, they were really in a relationship.
This is not that big a deal. You don't have to record our
They've been in a
chest.
relationship on and off all their lives. That's why they started dating.
This is a good conversation.
They were best friends.
Did you get a good
And
conversation?
their relationship